Hello, 5th graders. Welcome to lesson 3.8, Add and Subtract Money. Let's get started. Today's objective is I can add and subtract decimals using the standard algorithm by lining up the digits by place value and relating to money with 100% accuracy in multiple attempts. Please pause now to write the lesson objective in your digital math notebook. All right, guys, we've spent the last couple of days adding and subtracting decimals. Today, we're going to put those skills together when talking about money. We'll start with a problem where you watch me. In this problem, it says, Martin had $20 to buy lunch for his sister and himself. He bought lunch and he received $4.92 back in change. How much did he spend on lunch? Let's think about what we know. Martin had $20 and he bought lunch for his sister and himself. Then he got back $4.92. So if he started with $20, I'm going to subtract how much he got back in order to find how much he spent. We practiced subtracting multiplying yesterday, and we know that there's lots of borrowing to do. So I'm going to start by borrowing all the way across to the 2, which is going to become a 1, and then a 10, and a 9, and a 10, and a 9, and a 10. All right, 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then bring down the 1. So that looks like $15.08. So he spent $15.08 on his lunch. We can check this by doing the opposite of subtracting. We can add our two smaller numbers to see if we get back to the $20 he had originally. Let's try it out. So if I have 15.08 plus 4.92, that should get us back to 20. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus the 1 we carried is 10. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And then remember, the decimal drops straight down. So there's our $20. So when we're doing word problems and relating to money, we should know that adding and subtracting undo each other, and we can use one to check the other. Let's do some problems together. Our next problem says, Grandpa bought 3 pies for dessert. Chocolate pie cost $8.50, lemon pie cost $6, and coconut pie cost $7.05. And here's our question. How much did Grandpa spend on the pies? This is in your digital math notebook, so make sure that you are typing in your answers. We need to add the cost of the 3 pies. So I'm going to line them up to add. My first one was $8.50, then $6, and remember $6 would have 0 cents, and then $7.05. So we're going to line them all up so their decimals are all straight together. And then Grandpa bought 3 pies, so all these numbers are going to be added together. So 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So then our decimal drops straight down. So Grandpa paid $21.55 for 3 pies. Pause now to type this into your digital math notebook. All right, time for the lesson activity. Here's our next question. Kathy has $5.75 in her purse to buy pencils, erasers, and crayons. estimate to determine if she has enough money to buy all of these. Okay, so if we have, first we're going to estimate, and then we'll see how much money she needs to spend, if she has enough. So it says crayons are 69 cents, so I'm going to change that to 70 cents. Pencils are $2.95. I'm going to change that to $3. And erasers are $1.37. I'm going to change that to $1.40. And then add them together. 0, 7 plus 4 is 11. 3, 4, 5. That gives us $5.10. So here's our estimate of how much it would cost. Let's go ahead and do the actual math to see how much it would cost. So we have 0.69, 2.95, and 1.37. Okay. 9 plus 7 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 with the 5 added. So here's our 1. That looks like a 2. Hold on, I'll fix it. $21. There we go. 6 plus 9 is 15, and 2 plus 3 is 5, so that gives us 20. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So the actual cost would be $5.01. So in your digital math notebook, you need to say, does she have enough money, and how much money is it going to cost her? Great job so far, 5th graders. You're almost finished. When you're done with this lesson and your digital math notebook is complete, fill out the exit slip before seeing your teacher. Great job!